Good day, ladies and gentlemen. The box step in the waltz is a great step to learn, especially when you're an absolute beginner. There's just 6 steps. It's easy to learn in the comfort of your own home. I'm going to give you no technical jargon whatsoever. This video has been created for the absolute beginner. 2 recommendations: wear comfortable footwear, and when you come to practice, Come Away With Me by Norah Jones is a great tune to rehearse to. Please subscribe and comment below. Your feedback will really help me create the videos that you need and want. The leader commences on the left foot. Step 1, left foot forwards. Step 2, right foot to the side. Step 3, left foot closes to right foot. Step 4, right foot back. Step 5, left foot to the side. Step 6, right foot closes to left foot. The timing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Although many prefer to dance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The follower commences on the right foot. Step 1, right foot back. Step 2, left foot to the side. Step 3, right foot closes to left foot. Step 4, left foot forwards. Step 5, right foot to the side. Step 6, left foot closes to right foot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.